Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's the top 20 how to pack for airport security for 2025. Packing for a flight isn't just about fitting everything into your suitcase. It's also about making sure you breeze through airport security without unnecessary delays. Long security lines, baggage inspections, and last-minute repacking can turn an exciting trip into a stressful experience. However, with the right packing strategy, you can save time, avoid hassles, and ensure a smooth airport experience. This guide will walk you through essential tips for packing efficiently while staying compliant with security regulations. From understanding TSA's 311 liquids rule to choosing the right carry-on essentials, you'll learn how to organize your luggage in a way that makes passing through security quick and hassle-free. By the time you finish reading, you'll know exactly what to pack, how to organize it, and what to avoid, so you can focus on enjoying your journey rather than dealing with security delays. Here's your top 20 how to pack for airport security for 2025. 1. Follow the 311 liquids rule. Airport security follows the 311 rule for liquids, gels, and aerosols. 3.4 ounces or less per container, 1 quart-sized clear bag, 1 bag per passenger. Pro tip: use travel-sized toiletries and solid alternatives to save space. 2. Keep electronics easily accessible. Laptops, tablets, and cameras must be removed from your bag and placed in a separate bin. If you have TSA pre-check, you can keep them inside your bag. Pro tip: use a laptop-friendly backpack with a dedicated compartment for fast access. 3. Wear slip-on shoes. Most airports require shoe removal, so wear comfortable, easy-to-remove shoes. Avoid boots, high tops, or shoes with lots of laces. They slow you down. Pro tip: compression socks can prevent swelling during long flights. 4. Minimize metal items. Remove metal belts, coins, keys, and jewelry before reaching the security checkpoint. Some underwire bras can set off metal detectors. Pro tip: keep metal items in a small zippered pouch inside your carry-on to quickly drop them in the bin. 5. Use a TSA-approved lock. If you're checking a bag, use a TSA-approved lock so security can inspect it without breaking it. Look for locks with the red TSA logo. Pro tip: place a note inside your bag with your name and contact info in case the luggage tag gets lost. 6. Pack medications separately. Prescription medications don't need to follow the 311 rule. Keep them in original containers and carry a doctor's note if necessary. Pro tip: pack at least 3 extra days' worth of medication in case of travel delays. 7. Bring an empty water bottle. Avoid security issues by bringing a reusable bottle and filling it up after security. Some airports have water refill stations to help travelers stay hydrated. Pro tip: use a collapsible water bottle to save space. 8. Avoid overpacking your carry-on. A tidy, well-organized bag makes security inspections faster. Overstuffed bags may need extra screening, which can delay you. Pro tip: pack heavier items at the bottom and frequently used items on top for easy access. 9. Be mindful of food items. Solid snacks are fine, but some foods are considered liquids. If in doubt, check the TSA website for food restrictions. Pro tip: avoid bringing smelly foods to keep fellow travelers happy. 10. Pack a change of clothes in your carry-on. Always pack an extra set of clothes in your carry-on in case of lost luggage. Include underwear, socks, and a light sweater for comfort. Pro tip: if traveling to a different climate, pack a weather-appropriate outfit in your carry-on. 11. Keep travel documents handy. Your passport, boarding pass, and ID should be in an easy-to-reach pocket. Digital boarding passes can be stored in Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Pro tip: use a passport holder with RFID protection to prevent identity theft. 12. No restricted items. No knives, razor blades, or sharp tools in carry-ons. Liquids over 3.4 ounces are not allowed, unless medically necessary. Some sports equipment must be checked. Pro tip: check airline regulations before packing to avoid surprises at security. 13. Use compression packing cubes. These help save space, organize clothes, and make repacking easier if security opens your bag. Pro tip: roll clothes instead of folding to reduce wrinkles and maximize space. 14. Secure valuables in your carry-on. Never check valuables like laptops, cameras, jewelry, or cash. Keep them in a small bag inside your carry-on for easy access. Pro tip: Use a crossbody bag or anti-theft backpack for extra security. 15. Carry a lightweight jacket with pockets. A jacket with zippered pockets can hold essentials like your passport, phone, and earbuds. It also doubles as a pillow on long flights. Pro tip: pack a scarf or shawl for warmth and versatility. 16. Don't wrap gifts. If you're traveling with presents, security may unwrap them for inspection. Use gift bags instead. Pro tip: ship gifts directly to your destination to avoid hassle. 17. Label your bags. Include your name, phone number, and email inside and outside your luggage. This helps if your bag gets lost. Pro tip: use a bright luggage tag or ribbon to quickly spot your bag at baggage claim. 18. Use a digital boarding pass. Saves paper and reduces the risk of losing your ticket. Available on airline apps or Apple Wallet, Google Wallet. Pro tip: screenshot your boarding pass in case of Wi-Fi issues at security. 19. Be early to avoid stress. Arrive at least 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours for international flights. Factor in extra time for security lines and busy travel seasons. Pro tip: sign up for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry for faster screening. 20. Keep a power bank handy. Portable chargers are allowed only in carry-ons. Useful for charging your phone before a long flight. Pro tip: get a power bank with multiple USB ports to charge multiple devices. Final thoughts: by following these smart packing tips, you'll save time at security, avoid unnecessary stress, travel more comfortably and efficiently. Bonus tip: if traveling internationally, check for any customs restrictions before packing. Safe travels. Have a nice trip.